Cocoa polyphenol, especially the flavonoids found in high-quality dark chocolate and natural cocoa powder, have become one of the most encouraging areas of research in skin aging. What makes them so compelling is their ability to influence the skin from the inside out, helping preserve elasticity, protect collagen, and enhance resilience against UV-induced cellular damage. While skincare products often work only at the surface, cocoa flavonoids support deeper biological processes that determine how youthful, firm, and radiant skin remains over time. The overall scientific picture is surprisingly positive. Cocoa polyphenol offer real, measurable benefits for skin health when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. One of their most powerful effects lies in blood flow. Cocoa flavonoids, particularly epicatechin and catechin, enhance microcirculation in the skin by improving nitric oxide availability and supporting healthier endothelial function. This means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the dermal layers, where collagen, elastin, and fibroblasts live. When these structures receive a steady supply of nutrients and oxygen, they function more efficiently, repair damage more quickly, and maintain the firmness that gives skin its youthful structure. Improved circulation also helps skin stay hydrated and better able to handle environmental stress. Another major benefit is cocoa's ability to protect and preserve collagen. Collagen breakdown is one of the key drivers of visible aging. Wrinkles, sagging, and loss of firmness all stem from the gradual degradation of this vital protein. Cocoa flavonoids help slow this process by reducing the activity of enzymes such as matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, which break down collagen in response to stress, inflammation, and UV exposure. By keeping MMP activity in check, cocoa compounds help maintain the scaffolding that holds skin smooth and elastic. They also stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen, helping maintain a steady, more youthful rate of collagen synthesis. Cocoa polyphenol also excel at protecting skin from oxidative stress, one of the most potent accelerators of aging. The skin is constantly exposed to UV light, pollution, and metabolic byproducts that create reactive oxygen species capable of damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Cocoa flavonoids not only neutralize these free radicals, but also activate NRF2, boosting the skin's own antioxidant enzymes. This dual approach strengthens cellular defenses and reduces the cumulative molecular damage that contributes to fine lines, dullness, and uneven texture. UV-induced aging, photoaging, is an area where cocoa shows particularly encouraging results. Several studies have demonstrated that regular intake of high-flavonol cocoa increases skin's resistance to UV-induced erythema, redness, suggesting a stronger protective barrier against sun-related cellular damage. While cocoa is not a substitute for sunscreen, this enhanced resilience helps limit inflammation and DNA damage caused by daily sun exposure, adding an internal safety layer that complements topical protection. Cocoa polyphenol also influence hydration and skin texture. By improving microcirculation and supporting the dermal matrix, they help skin retain moisture more effectively. Some clinical trials have reported increased skin thickness, improved skin density, and better surface texture in individuals consuming high-flavonol cocoa daily. These effects contribute to a smoother, more supple appearance that aligns with younger skin. What makes this even more encouraging is that cocoa's benefits extend beyond molecular pathways. People often notice visible improvements in glow, softness, and overall complexion after consistent intake. Because the skin is a highly metabolically active organ, it responds positively to higher nutrient delivery and reduced oxidative stress. Cocoa's polyphenol help create a biological environment in which the skin can regenerate more efficiently and maintain a youthful appearance for longer. To experience these benefits, quality matters. The richest sources of skin-supportive flavonoids include natural cocoa powder, unsweetened cacao, and dark chocolate with 70% or higher cocoa content. These forms contain meaningful concentrations of epicatechin and catechin without the high sugar content that can counteract skin health. Even small daily servings can contribute to improved elasticity, reduced oxidative stress, and greater resistance to photoaging. Overall, the research paints a genuinely positive and uplifting picture. Cocoa polyphenol offer a natural, enjoyable, and evidence-backed way to support skin aging from within. By enhancing microcirculation, protecting collagen, neutralizing oxidative stress, and strengthening resistance to UV damage, cocoa flavonoids help skin maintain its youthful structure and vitality. While they cannot eliminate aging, they provide one of the most delicious and accessible ways to nourish the body's largest organ and help it age with more grace, strength, and radiance.